Hey guys, Jacob here. We finished our update for seamless transitions. We added sound effects to every transition, and let me just quickly show you how it looks. So, we spent a lot of time creating those sound effects so they work with all of these adjustments. So if you speed up or slow down your transition, sound effect will still sound good. Also, we added a sound effects folder. So if you don't like the transition, you can customize it. You can import one of 100 pre-made transitions, and these were specifically created to work with transitions. So I hope this will help you. And if you already own seamless transitions, the update will be available today, and you will just right click on the box in the main menu and press update. That's it for today, and thank you guys for your support. Have a great day. Bye.